Hello everyone, welcome back. Julie here. So for today's video, I am really excited because I am doing my first impressions video / review, and today it is all about Revlon. And what am I reviewing? If you haven't read the title, I am reviewing Revlon's PhotoReady Candid foundation and concealer. So I recently received these in the mail and I was like, why not do a first impressions for you guys? Why I really wanted to do it is all the information they gave me, and I was like, wow, this sounds like an awesome product. Let me read a little bit for you guys. So they have formulated PhotoReady Candid to protect your skin by adding antioxidant, anti-pollution, anti-blue light ingredients, which is awesome. They also took out ingredients such as parabens, artificial fragrances, artificial dyes, oil. It's creamier, it's more moisturizing, it's buildable, which is great, and I'm really excited to try. What is also so crazy is they sent me these two colors out of all of these, and I'm pretty sure they matched me dead on, which is insane. Just to give you guys an idea, the foundation comes in 31 colors, the concealer comes in 17, and I'm pretty sure they're dead on with my colors. We'll find out in a second, but if they are, whoever matched my skin from just looking at my Instagram is like a skin matching wizard. Like, that's crazy, that's insane. So we will find out. But I'm super excited to give you guys my first impression, try it out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put it on for you, let you know what I think, and then I'm gonna wear it throughout the whole day and then come back and give you guys an end of the day review. So I'm here working now on the computer, but I am going out to lunch with girlfriends, and then I have meetings, so I'll kind of be all over, and yeah, I'm gonna see how it holds up. Just a FYI, I am oilier, normal to oily. So I'm oily in my T-zone, and a lot of times I have to use a matte. So we'll see how this works with it being a little more creamy and moisturizing. But yeah, I'm excited to try it. Also, I love the tubes, how they're not too big. These would be really easy to travel with. Sometimes I get nervous when they're glass and these aren't. So yeah, I'm already doing a little first impression. I like it. And just to give you guys a little more information on the foundation, it is $10.99, which is insane. And the concealer is, hold please, $9.99, which you can't really beat those prices, right? Okay, so before we get to the video, please subscribe to my channel. I do new videos every week, so definitely subscribe, do the little bell, ding, notified, done. Also, follow me on Instagram. I post a ton of fun photos, post fun stories. Would love to see you guys there. So subscribe, follow, do all of that. And yeah, I think that's it. So let's get to my first impressions / review video of these guys. Okay, so I already prepped and primed my face and already did my eye makeup, but first I am gonna go in with Revlon's PhotoReady Candid foundation, and I am shade 320. So you guys may think I'm crazy, but I love to put on my foundation with my finger, and then I will go back in and use a sponge or like a beauty blender, but I've just found that putting it on with my hands or my fingers just goes on, whoa, so much better. And apparently my strap comes off. But I'm just gonna get this all blended in. So first of all, I really like how it feels on my skin. I am a little more oily, and it doesn't feel super oily, and actually it's drying really nicely. And this foundation, it's buildable, so I usually wear pretty light foundation when it comes to coverage. Occasionally I will go a little heavier if it's like a special occasion, I guess. But for today, just getting lunch, running errands, going to a few meetings, so I don't need to be like super foundation coverage to the max. I will then go in with my little beauty blender and just, let me get close for you guys, go into like the little crease spots, especially under my eye, go on my nose. Get this all perfectly blended. Right around that wing too. God. This wing today was a mission. The wings are never the same. I just need to get used to it. They'll never be dead on. All right, so I really like the coverage. Like I said, you can build upon this. I showed you guys just like a little bit on my finger and got my whole face looking good. I really like it so far. True test though is after a full day. Next I'm gonna go in with Revlon's PhotoReady Candid Concealer, and this I have in 30, it's light medium. So this guy is on this little like brush wand thing. And I'll just do a few little here, a little line under there to get a little extra. This I will go in with my beauty blender. And blend it in. I really like how this feels too. It has a similar consistency of the foundation where it doesn't feel too oily. It's actually drying pretty quickly. So I'm gonna get to this side. And I like the coverage. Again, I don't do super heavy coverage, so I didn't do too much. But if you want a little more coverage, just put more. And there you go. So let me get, whoa, close up for you guys so you can see. I really like it. Feels good, looks good. And that's that. I'm still shocked that Revlon was able to match my color this well. Like just by looking at my Instagram, that's, because I don't think I've met them in person yet, and they are skin matching wizards. Like this is perfect. I am a little tanner right now. Winter maybe would go down a shade in the concealer, but wow, really like dead on. Sorry, my mirror's down here. I'm looking down here. I should really look at you guys. Really dead on with this color match. All right, so I am then gonna go in and do the rest of my face makeup as I would normally do, and then see how the foundation and concealer go throughout the day. So what I normally do next is I use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. This guy is my go-to every single day, and I just don't see myself switching this out anytime soon. So whenever I test new products, I always like to use what I would normally use. So get this guy kind of all over, set all this stuff, set those eyebrows, very important. And then I like to go in with my Bare Minerals. I believe this is their like all over color. It's not foundation, it's not any of that. They actually only have 3 colors of this. I have whoa, what am I saying? Faux Tan. Oh my god, I like read it and it was FAUX, and then, ooh, that wasn't good. And literally I've been using this since high school. It is amazing. It gives me just that like overall bronze look. I literally. All right, my camera decided to have a full memory card, so it stopped filming for a second there. But like I was saying, going in with my Bare Minerals kind of all over bronzer. I love this stuff. Next, I am just gonna go in with a little NARS blush. I've had this for so long. I mean, if you can't tell, the container's a little messy. And I am using Deep Throat. Where is that brush? Brush. I love this blush. It's so good. Perfect. And then, last but not least, I will go in with my, well, this is kind of dirty too, Laura Mercier. This guy's a little newer. Highlighter. Gonna go in with this guy. This is so pretty. I love this color. Put it on the nose and good to go. So that is it for my makeup, but I am doing a first impressions / review of the Revlon Candid, PhotoReady Candid foundation and concealer. So far, my first impression, I really like them both, but the true test is how it's gonna last throughout the day and what it's gonna look like when I get home. So I am going to come back to you guys later tonight before I take off my makeup and show you what it looks like after wearing it all day long, so you can get the real review. I was gonna say real first impression. I already did my first impression, I like it. The real review of Revlon's PhotoReady Candid foundation and concealer. So I'm gonna go, lunch, meetings, work, do all that good stuff, and I will see you guys later tonight. All right, guys, I am back. So I have been wearing the Revlon concealer and foundation for about 8 or 9 hours so far. Wore it this morning, worked from home, went out, came back, went out again, came back, and I am really impressed with both foundation and concealer. My main concern was how oily I'm gonna get, and I am a little oily in my T-zone. Some of this is highlighter, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. And actually, my mistake, I normally always put on like this matte setting spray, which helps that a lot, and I didn't do it today. So I definitely think that would help, but I don't mind how like I am looking. Like it's not too bad of oil zone 3000. Definitely probably could take like a blotting pad to like my forehead a little bit, but this looks like highlighter and I think some of it is, and I'm pretty impressed. My skin feels great, feels hydrated. I don't really get dry except for my under eyes, and so too the fact that the concealer, let me get a little closer here, is like not cracking at all. It looks great. I'm like really happy with both of these products. I will definitely be using them again, and too, these shades were perfect for me. So I am 320 in the foundation and I am 30 in the concealer, and overall I'm really happy with how it held up throughout the day. No cracking, only a little bit of oiliness, but that's normal for me. But yeah, I think, like I said before, with a little bit of my setting spray that's kind of more of a matte finish, I think would solve that. But yeah, overall super happy, and my first impression of Revlon's PhotoReady Candid foundation and concealer would have to be an A. I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah. Well, that is it for today. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Insta, and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have any questions, want to just say hi, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys next time.